Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Adeluwa and I I received a message from somebody who watched a video I by the grace of God put out there, and before I continue, I pray that God should give me the words and the right words to tell the person and anyone else who is listening that will be of help to them. Let the words of my mouth speak life to those who need to hear it in Jesus Christ's name. Amen. So I had to pray because I had done like 2 videos on this same issue, but it just I wasn't satisfied with it. So I thought, okay, let me just pray so that I will say the right things. Now, this might come in series because it might come in bits and pieces, but bear with me. This has been a journey, and so I can't just do this in, say, 5 minutes. Although I will try to give you something that you can work with. Now, somebody had watched my video, the video I put out on things to try if you're having itchy skin after bath. And to the glory of God, the person said that they're okay now, that they no longer have itching, that it worked. And yeah, I was so happy. I'm still happy. So the person asked me to do a video to talk about simple skincare routine and products to use. When it comes to products, there are probably thousands of products out there, but they asked me. So I would say be as organic and as natural as possible, like things that you can relate with, things like coconut oil, things like natural soap, things like castor oil, things that are relatable, things that you can actually, some of them you can even eat them. Make sure that they are food grade, a lot of these things, although you can't eat soap, but the thing is, if it is not edible, at least let it be organic, let it be natural. And so there are like 5 things you want to do with your skin to maintain a healthy, beautiful, glowing skin. The first thing is cleansing. I won't say first, but there is cleansing, there is exfoliating, there is toning, there is moisturizing, and there is conditioning. So most of the basic organic skincare products has all of those 5 things in them. Sometimes you can even feel the difference. You understand? Like when you use them, you can feel that, okay, maybe this soap is too sharp. Then you can now add some things to the soap, or you can add it to your bath water. And some people who actually know what they are doing when it comes to making natural organic soaps, they will add everything there is to it, that when you use it, everything just balances. You just feel good, and all of that. But I would advise that when it comes to skincare, you make sure that your soap is on point. Like everything you need is in your soap. Everything you need is in your bath water. So that would help you to lessen the time you spend trying to look beautiful, trying to heal this, heal that. And another thing you want to do is be patient with your skin, study your skin, know what works. Know what works. Study your skin. It's very, very important that you study your skin, you understand your skin, you kind of observe what your skin does and how it works. It's very important. When you observe how your skin works, like you really, really observe it, it helps you to understand what is going on. What I do personally is that when I have a skin issue, I go to my search engine, I check, okay, this is how my skin is behaving right now. So I know that, okay, maybe I have to add more oil to my bath water. Maybe I have to drink more water. Maybe I have to sleep more. And it could just be an issue of,